Hey there, get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the fascinating realm of digital finance. Ever wondered how money has changed over time, evolving from simple bartering systems to the complex financial structures we know today? From shiny shells, once treasured and traded, to coins, symbols of wealth and power in ancient civilizations, paper notes, a convenient and standardized form of currency that revolutionized trade, and now just numbers on a screen, representing vast fortunes and complex transactions with a simple click. Money keeps evolving, adapting to the ever-changing needs and innovations of society, just like how music went from tapes, a tangible and physical medium, to streaming, an intangible and instantly accessible form of entertainment. Now, technology is giving money another big makeover, a digital revolution that's reshaping the financial landscape. Enter cryptocurrency, a groundbreaking innovation with the potential to redefine how we think about and interact with money. Imagine sending money as easily as you send a message, instantly and securely, without a bank in the middle, eliminating intermediaries and empowering individuals with greater control over their finances. That's the big idea behind crypto, a decentralized, transparent, and secure system for exchanging value. It's a new chapter in the story of money, a narrative filled with innovation, disruption, and the potential for transformative change, written in computer code, complex algorithms, and cryptographic principles, and living on the internet, accessible to anyone with a connection and a desire to participate in this new financial ecosystem. Don't worry if it sounds confusing. The world of cryptocurrency can seem daunting at first. We'll break it down together, step by step, demystifying the jargon and exploring the core concepts in a clear and accessible way. By the end, you'll understand what digital money is, its underlying principles, and its potential impact on the world, how it works, the technology that powers it, and the mechanisms that ensure its security and integrity, and why everyone's talking about it, from seasoned investors to curious newcomers, all eager to understand the future of finance. Ready? Are you prepared to challenge your assumptions and embrace a new way of thinking about money? Let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency. Let's explore its potential, its challenges, and its transformative power. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's a term you've probably heard buzzing around, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down and explore this fascinating world of digital finance. At its core, it's a special kind of money that exists only in digital form. Unlike the physical cash in your wallet, cryptocurrency lives on computers and is exchanged electronically. The crypto part of the name comes from cryptography. Cryptography refers to the super-secret codes that keep transactions secure and prevent counterfeiting. It's the backbone of cryptocurrency's security. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Unlike regular money controlled by banks or governments, cryptocurrency operates on a system that is decentralized. This means no single person, bank, or company is in charge. Instead, a global community of users and developers manages it together, verifying transactions and making sure everything is fair and transparent. The first and most famous cryptocurrency that paved the way for all others is Bitcoin, created back in 2009 by the mysterious figure known only as Satoshi Nakamoto, whose true identity remains a secret to this day. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins, as in alternatives to Bitcoin, have appeared, each with their own unique features, purposes, and underlying technologies. In essence, crypto lets people send value directly to each other online, anywhere in the world, often without the need for traditional intermediaries like banks. It's fast, and in many cases, transactions are often cheaper, and opens up new and innovative possibilities for how we exchange value, conduct business, and interact with the global economy. Think of it as email for money, quick, global, and entirely digital. So, how does crypto work? It's a question that might seem complex at first glance, but the underlying principles are surprisingly elegant. We're going to break it down and make it easy to understand. The secret sauce is something called blockchain. It's the technology that makes cryptocurrency secure and transparent. Picture a digital notebook, not stored in one place but shared by thousands of computers all over the world. This distributed nature is key to its security. Every transaction, every exchange of cryptocurrency is recorded as a block and added to this secure chain. Think of it like adding a page to the notebook. Once a block is added to the chain, it's nearly impossible to change or tamper with. This immutability is a core feature of blockchain technology. Because everyone in the network has a copy of the blockchain, any attempt at cheating or falsifying information gets caught instantly. It's a built-in fraud detection system. This makes blockchain super secure and trustworthy. It operates independently, even without a central authority like a bank overseeing everything. But with all this talk about digital transactions and secure chains, where do you actually keep your digital money? How do you manage your crypto assets? In a crypto wallet. It's your personal interface for interacting with the blockchain. A wallet is essentially software or a physical device that securely stores your private keys. These private keys are the secret codes that prove you own your crypto. Treat them like the PIN to your bank account. Your wallet also has a public address, which is like an account number. You can share this public address with others to receive money or cryptocurrency. Hot wallets are typically apps connected to the internet, designed for convenient daily use and quick transactions. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline devices, offering an extra layer of security for your crypto holdings. Remember this crucial point: you, and only you, control your wallet, and most importantly, your private keys. No one else has access unless you grant it. Therefore, carefully choose your wallet based on your individual needs and how you plan to use your cryptocurrency. Consider the balance between convenience and security. So what can you do with cryptocurrency? You can buy things. Some shops and websites accept Bitcoin and other coins. Paying is as easy as scanning a QR code with your wallet app. Crypto is also great for sending money across borders, fast, direct, and with lower fees than banks. Many people invest in crypto, hoping its value will rise, but prices can change quickly, so it's risky. Beyond money, blockchain powers digital art, NFTs, new social platforms, and games where you can earn crypto. We're just starting to see what this technology can do. It's not just new money, it's a new, more open internet. The possibilities are growing every day. Before you jump in, let's talk security. With crypto, you're your own bank, so you must protect your money. Never share your private keys or recovery phrase. Anyone with them can take your funds. Use strong, unique passwords for your wallets and accounts. Watch out for scams. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Double-check websites and be careful with emails asking for info. For extra safety, use a hardware wallet, cold wallet, to keep your keys offline. Start small, learn as you go, and always put security first. The world of crypto is exciting, but being careful keeps your digital treasure safe. The adventure is just beginning. Keep exploring and stay curious.